3 best morning exercise for every man. If you want to increase your testosterone, if you want to excrete sugar through sweating, it is through exercise. And if you want to have a good blood flow and blood circulation, it is also through exercise. So in today's video, I am going to share with you 3 best morning exercise for every man. So make sure that you watch this video from the beginning to the very end so that you will know the 3 best exercise, and I will give you another best exercise that every man need. That last one will be a bonus, but it is mainly for couples. People that have married will do the 4th one. So my name is Kenneth Os. I make videos on men's secrets and natural ways to keep men. So in case you are new on this very channel, consider to subscribe and don't forget to turn on the notification bell to be notified anytime I publish video concerning men and natural ways to keep men. What are the 3 simple best morning exercise for every man to do? There are 1, weightlifting. This weightlifting is the best exercise every man that want to increase his testosterone or to remove sugar through sweating will do. Weightlifting is the best exercise for every man to do in case if you want to achieve a good blood flow and blood circulation. So weightlifting might be lifting a simple weight, not going to lift a car, or you want to lift a weight that will give you a bad impact. No. Exercise is something that you do to make your body system to warm, to make your body system and your blood system or your blood to flow as expected. So that is what exercise we do. That I am saying exercise does not mean that you will go ahead and lift up a heavy load that will cause more harm in your body system. No. Just exercise is just to warm up your body system. So weightlifting is number 1 exercise every man need to do. Number 2 is running. At least you run from one point to another, from one point to another consistently for about 10 to 15 minutes. Stop for that day. You can embark or start all over again maybe in the next 2-3 days so that your body system will revitalize and come back to it normal. Because on how you do this every blessed day, it might harm your body system or it might disorganize your body system. So for you to get the best from exercise, give a gap every day, 15 minutes. Don't do it the next day. Give yourself a space, and especially after your exercise, eat good food. If you did not eat good food after exercise, you will emaciate. So after your daily exercise or any day you do exercise, you need to eat good food in order to replace wounded tissues and to make you stay strong. So number 3 is jumping. Jumping is also another simple and best morning exercise every man need to do to increase blood flow and blood circulation. Bear in mind that when you have a good blood flow and blood circulation, you will act like a man when the need arises. That is when you will have a good erection. That is when you will have a good sex drive, and that is when you will increase your testosterone. So jumping, running, and weightlifting are the 3 best morning exercise every man need to do to have a good blood flow and blood circulation. And apart from blood flow and blood circulation, exercise will help you to excrete bad fluids out of your body system, because when you sweat, that sweat is as a result of bad fluid coming out, and as that sweat is coming out, sugar is also going out. So that is why every man needs exercise. So after any exercise you embark on, make sure that you eat a balanced diet to replace wounded tissues and to give you a healthy life and to build up your immune system. Never eat bad food or never drink alcohol or you smoke after exercise. You will emaciate, and with this you can never perform well or have a good erection because there will be no proper blood flow. But once you have a good food and embark on exercise, you will be healthy, your immune system will be healthy, and you will stay strong as a man. So any exercise you are going to do, make it highest 15 minutes. 15 minutes is enough. If you can't exceed to 15 minutes, make it 10. 15 minutes is the best time to do your exercise, or the best duration to do your exercise. Especially do your exercise in the morning. Morning exercise is the best, and morning exercise is what will give you adequate and maximum result. So that is all about exercise. Now, the best exercise every man needs, especially the couples, is sex. Sex is an exercise because it will make you feel eased. It will make you feel empty. And once you do it and eat good food, you will see yourself staying strong. So that is it. There are other exercises like jogging and other ones, swimming. All these things, all these are exercise. So, but I give you 3 best morning exercise. They are simple that you can do. Do it to increase your blood flow and blood circulation, for you to perform well as a man and for you to have a good erection. So that is it for today's video. I hope you get value from watching this video, and I hope you enjoy watching this video. If you do well to hit the like button, subscribe to be a member of this very channel, and don't forget to turn on the notification bell to be notified anytime I publish video concerning men and natural ways to get men. If you have questions and comments, do not hesitate to drop it in the comment section below. I will never hesitate to reply your comments as soon as possible. Thank you for stopping by, and thank you for watching. See you in my next video. Have a nice day. Bye.